All right, so we figured it out, how to put a winch in a factory metal Rubicon bumper that needs to be towed behind a motorhome with a tow bar. Check it out. So this is a new JL Rubicon 4-door. It's either a 2019 or a 2020. And this thing is a toad. It's towed behind an RV full time. So the customer came to us with a Roadmaster receiver and this Blue Ox tow bar. And they wanted us to mount a winch inside the factory bumper. And we looked at a lot of part numbers and a lot of different tow bar receivers to figure it out. So what we did to make this work is we utilized a Warn winch mounting tray and then a Demco tow bar receiver. So everything works, everything fits. And the issue that we ran into with a few of the other tow bar receivers was that the bracketry conflicts with the winch mount cradle. The cool thing about this Demco one is it goes outside the frame rails and the winch cradle is on the inside of the frame rails. So that gives us some room for this Warn. This is the new Evo series VR 10S or 12S. This is the 12S. We also put on here the Flat Link E from Factor 55. This is a light bar mount, or you could put some Squadrons from Baja Designs or some rigid lights, the D series on here that would make a really nice fitment. So all in all, this is kind of what needs to make this all work. There's only a few part numbers that would work. Maybe some other different winch trays would work, but this winch tray from Warn works well, and the receiver from Demco. Also on this Jeep, what we did at the same time was this cool roof rack by Garvin. So this thing has a moving load capacity of 300 pounds and a static load, so when you're parked, of 600 pounds. So you can put, you know, a rooftop tent, kayaks, coolers, all sorts of stuff underneath there. One thing that I really liked with the kit is that underneath all these little rubber feet is paint protective film, and so it's cut in squares, and we stuck it underneath there so there's no rubbing or chafing underneath there at all. It's a really nice kit. There's brackets to tie into the windshield frame. There's a support structure actually underneath this cowl. So it's a really nice kit, and the new owners of this Jeep and all these accessories are gonna have a lot of fun RVing all over the country with their new JL Rubicon.